You so can say. Georgi, you can start.
Okay, hello everyone. Now we will share our project for the Smart Pasta for Healthy Life. The team member is Georgi Petkov, Yusuf Baiganov, Andrea Sentku, and Eka Mazumder. Yeah,
The idea came to our mind because we love pasta and we wanted to create something different from different kinds of groups. Finally, we create three types of pasta: beetroot-based pasta, children's food color pasta, and smart functional pasta. Introduction and marketing analysis. The global pasta market is undergoing transformation shaped by three major trends: health and wellness. Consumers increasingly seek pasta with functional benefits such as high protein, low carbohydrate content, and added fiber of micronutrients. Personalization. There is growing interest in tailor-made nutrition, especially among the athletes, parents, and individuals with specific dietary needs. Sustainability, packaging, and ingredients are under scrutiny, with tiny preference for eco-friendly and clean label solutions. The target market spans diverse demographics, young professionals and health conscious adults, interests in clean eating, parents looking for nutrition, children's free meal options, fitness oriented consumers seeking functional carbohydrates and protein sources, sustainability minded shoppers supporting packaging and plant based diets.
the beetroot pasta. It's covered in flavor naturally for adults seeking variety and clean label ingredients. On the right side of the slide, you can see the technological process of preparing and everyone's different steps to prepare the product. The technological process of the preparing beetroot pasta. The beetroot is boiled in the water until it turns dark red. Once it's ready, it's cooled to room temperature. The dough is prepared by mix the water and the flour. Then the dough is pasteurized, it's tinned and prepared in the specific shape. It is prepared for drying by heating the drying chamber, fermentation chamber. Drying continue for 24 hours. Temperature for drying process is between 45 and 55 degrees. After drying the pasta, it's cooled and packaged.
Children fruit color pasta, a nutritious and playful option designed to attract young eaters through taste and appearance. Technological process of preparing children's food color pasta. The fruits are smashed until they become pure. It could be add a little water for better extraction. Once it's ready, it is cooled to room temperature. The dough is prepared by mixing the pure with flour. Then the dough is placid. Uh, it is tinned and prepared in the specific shape. It is prepared for drying by heating the dryer chamber. Drying continues for 24 hours. Temperature for drying process is between 45 and 50 degrees. After drying the pasta, it's colored and packaged.
Highly protein, low carb, good friendly pasta. High protein, low carb, good friendly pasta is options for health focused consumers, athletes, and individuals with directly restrictions. Again, you can see the whole technological process on the right side of the slide. The dough is prepared by mixed the eggs with the eggs white, hydrocolloid, water, probiotics, and postbiotics with different kind of flour, lentil, pea, black beans. Then the dough is pasteurized It's tinned and prepared in the specific shape. It's prepared for drying by heating the drying chamber, fermentation chamber. Drying continue for 24 hours. Temperature for drying process is 45 to 55 degrees Celsius. After drying, the pasta is cooled and packaged. About the process. Firstly, we prepare ring of the raw materials. After raw materials are dosing. Is mixed. Duff extraction, pasta formation, drying, conditioning. After that, we can choose a different kind of pasta: beetroot, generous fruit, cover pasta, highly protein. Finally, packaging, storage, expedition. Here we share some of the photos while we make the beetroot pasta. On the first photo, you can see the extraction of the beetroot. After that is the measuring. On the third photo, you can see the semolina flour from durum wheat, the egg with the egg yolk and egg whites, and the beetroot juice. And on the fourth photo, the first one is with eggs, and the second one is without eggs. So we can see the difference in the colors where we change the fluid from eggs to only beetroot juice. Here are the prepared shapes. First photo is without eggs, and the second one is with eggs.
Marketing and promotion. The marketing strategy for Smart Pasta for Health Life is designed to reflect the brand's core message: Eat Smart, Live Smart. Launch strategy, pilot phrase is small craft food shops to build curiosity and gather consumers. Feedback, national expressions, through select retailers such as Whole Food and health stores, international distribution via e-commerce platforms and the official brand website. Sustainability packaging and promotion. The packaging it's made so you can see the product through the little window and see which type it's for what. For the children, we made with a little animation with paw control, a smart pasta. You can see that it's made with natural uh, products and bird pasta to see that it's for that.
Financial analysis. Here we can see the different things that we use and their costs. The raw materials, electricity, labor, packaging, transportation, rent, tax. It's of course the most expensive things are the raw materials, and the cheapest is electricity because it's less in use. About the financial analysis, the development marketing launch of Smart Pasta faced several notable challenges. Market entry, securing shelf space in health-oriented and organic stores may be manageable, but larger supermarket chains typically require proof of market demand. Customer acceptance. The unfamiliar red color of beetroot pasta may deter consumers who are unaware of its benefits. Ingredient sourcing. Fresh beetroot supply may fluctuate in quality, availability, and price through the year. Cost con- sorry, cost competitives. Production costs are high compared to mass market pasta, affecting retail pricing. Regular compliance. Expanding to international markets require adherence to complete food labeling and safety regulation.
Okay, now moving forward for the internationalization strategy. For the internationalization strategy, we are following five basic strategy. First one is the flavor profile adjustment. It is for the adjustment of the flavor in different regional, just to match with the regional taste, such as the Mediterranean in olive oil, herbs, and for Asian, as the Asian markets love spicy food, so we use chili, turmeric in our pasta. For the market entry, the second strategy, we use a smart language specific packaging with the QR codes. It will help the customer to understand the information with our pasta, and it help customer to linking by localized digital content such as nutrition facts, recipes, and sustainability messages. Obviously, the third strategy is to following the EU regulation. So the compliance with the EU regulation 1169 by 2011 and FDA labeling standards, and pursue halal and kosher certifications, because the halal certification is very specific, because there it could be, it is demonstrating that the consumers who eating who practice Muslim and who eat halal foods, they also will be able to eat our food. And fourth strategy is distribution. We target our leading retailers like Aldi, Lidl, Tesco, and some specialized health food networks for the emphasizing sustainability. Another strategy is by the partnerships with the nutritional experts, Instagram influencer, to enhance our product marketing and visibility, and also the consumer trust. Regarding the talking about the sustainability, because as we know that it's a very well known and global concern, every product leaves a carbon footprint, but our product also follows the sustainability rules by following the description. So for example, most of our ingredients are sourced locally in the Bulgaria, so it will reduce the transportation emission and carbon emission, and it support the regional agriculture. The second is production and energy use. The production process follows eco-efficient principles. During warm season, like summer, our pasta is solar dried because sun is available for a long time, and the cutting energy we use significantly. Regarding the packaging and the life cycle, the packaging consists of paper-based material with a small transparent biodegradable foil, as you already see in the pictures before slides. So it is maintaining biodegradable foil, and it would be the fully recyclable with no pollution, and it will also compliance with our food safety standards. And the distribution and carbon footprint, smart pasta, we plan to adopt electric and hybrid vehicles which help to reduce carbon footprint. And the idea for that new product came to our mind because there is a lack of market in that kind of production. We want to produce something new, something that is indispensability. There is no value of beetroot pasta or pasta with fruit puree. About highly protein pasta, there is optional to find something, but it is not with ingredients that we use, but this is the way that we produce it. And this is a scanning code of our web page. You can scan and get more detailed information by scanning this QR code. Thank you for listening to us. Thank you so much.